Imagine having a partner who never forgets anything. Now, think of that in the world of technology. Imagine not having to ask a database any question more than once, because that partner that remembers everything is in your code. Stay until the end for a CTO level recipe for using Redis to speed up and make your application much more scalable. Redis is a super efficient partner in storing and retrieving data. It handles huge amounts of information quickly and accurately, which can potentially help applications run more smoothly and more efficiently. Applications need to access data quickly and efficiently. Any database can handle this task, but often struggles under heavy load or when speed is critical. This is where Redis comes into play, offering a solution that traditional databases sometimes fail to provide. Developers have to ensure that data-intensive applications perform well under all circumstances. Users might experience slow load times or system crashes during peak usage without the right approach. Take my word for it. No matter how powerful your database hardware and software is, it has a tipping point where if it gets enough requests, it will do just that and fall over. Redis is an in-memory data structure store, which means it uses the computer's memory to store data, unlike traditional databases that store data on disk. Accessing data from RAM is significantly faster than disk storage, making Redis an ideal choice for applications that need rapid data retrieval like caching, session management, and real-time analytics. The structure allows it to support different data types like strings, lists, sets, hashes, which are essential for meeting the needs of modern applications. Developers can manipulate these data types with atomic operations to ensure data integrity without sacrificing performance. The real power of Redis shines in scenarios where immediate data access is crucial. For example, in high-traffic web applications, Redis can serve data to thousands of users concurrently without a hitch, like a spouse recalling an important date or detail instantly when you need. Redis enhances application performance by providing a high-speed, flexible solution for data storage and management. It's like having a partner in the tech world who remembers everything, making sure that information is always at your fingertips when you need it most. Redis even has options to persist data to disk. I left a link to that documentation in a pinned comment. Have you used Redis? If you have, please let me know what you think. The good, the bad, the ugly. If you haven't, I left a link in a pinned comment so you can check it out. If you've made it this far, here's the bonus tip. That's CTO level recipe. It's all fine and dandy to copy data from a database to Redis to boost your performance and scalability. You take a few rows from the database, put them in Redis, do the processing, and serve the output. That's what I call basic caching. If you want to have the full benefits, you should save the processed data. Try this. Take a few rows from the database, process them, and put them in Redis. Then anytime you need to serve them, you're ready to go. That's what I call good caching. Either way, you have to deal with potential stale data and remove it from the cache when you need. But you'll also be saving yourself not only the database time, but the processing time on each and every request.